Hey guys, it's me. I'm here to teach you how to make this lead pencil into a staple gun. Green works best. I mean, you could use black and stuff, but green is easier. Just make sure it has this black part right here. And you'll need a staple. Like this one. Make sure you bend it over here. That's the most important part. And I just got a message on Facebook, but I'm not going to answer right now. Next, you open this part. And lower you down. You open this part right here. And you place the clip right there. Make sure you don't put it like right here where it could go through this. It's not gonna go. Make sure it's at the part where there's holes. Like so. To aim, the best aim with this is you having it bent like this. Because if you have it bent like this, it's easier to aim because you just look straight through here. Okay. Now, let's show you what it should look like in aim mode. The clip over here, look right there. To shoot, you pull on this. Not push, pull. Like this. And you look through the glass and fire away. There you have it. Your own pencil gun. Well, enjoy.